So, you've purchased a domain through Google and want to connect it to your Shopify store. Well, you're in luck because I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step. So, if you're ready, let's get started. In the search bar, type Google Domains Login. Click on the first result. Sign into your Google Domains account. Click on Manage Domains in your Google Domains dashboard. Next, click on My Domains. Copy your domain address. Now, sign into your Shopify account. Go to Settings in your Shopify dashboard, located at the bottom left corner. Select Domains. Click on Connect Existing Domain. Paste your Google domain name and click Next. Click on Connect Automatically. A new window will pop up. Click on Yes, Connect. Now click Close. Here, click on your domain name, select Change Domain Type. Choose Primary Domain and click on Change Domain Type. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Google domain to Shopify. Your Shopify store now has a custom web address. If you encounter any issues during the process, please get in touch with me for assistance. If you need any help related to Shopify, you can hire a Shopify expert now. The link is in the description below this video. Please comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to boost your online knowledge.